Hey everyone, welcome to this quick little Tidbits lesson where we're going to chat about risk assessment for the first time in what will end up being many more times to come. Now, the most important information that I can share with you about risk is to not take any risks. I know, not very helpful. So allow me to be more specific. Now, in the first Going Around Things video, I used this diagram where the street is wide enough to fit 3 vehicles side by side. Now, even though we know that technically there should be enough room for all 3 of us to fit, I'm a safe driver, so I would never do this because safe drivers don't take unnecessary risks. I mean, what would happen if one of us miscalculated our lane positioning as we tried to pass one another? Because we're in such close proximity, there would be no room to correct any human error. Or what if all of a sudden the person in the parked vehicle opened their door without looking? If that were to happen, there would be no room to escape, because I didn't leave any room to correct any of those lovely little mistakes us humans are so good at making. So, anytime you see that there's a vehicle approaching who looks roughly the same distance away from the parked vehicle as you are, well, remember your training and don't take the risk. And if you possibly need any more incentive, with that parked vehicle being on your side of the street, if there's a crash, you'll be the one at fault. So stay patient to stay safe. It's only going to take a few seconds and that vehicle will pass through and then you're good to go. Okay, that's it. So once again, we're at this point where I ask, do you like? Can you subscribe? And would you like to be notified? Okay, that's all the wisdom I can impart on you for the moment. So I will see you next Tuesday. Take care.